This is Wave 3 Listens Live.
Number 4 is find witnesses.
This is probably one of the most important items in there because witnesses to accidents are really a key to the success of a personal injury case if you are injured and if you have to go forward on that case. I'll give you an example. Almost every week, people that come into my office as clients will say, well, there are witnesses to the accident. I say, well, great, did you get their names? No, but the police talked to them. Well, 95% of the time, the police may talk to the witness, but they're not going to write that name down and write the information down unless it's a very serious accident case. Police are very busy, and sometimes they just do not document this. So it's important for you to make sure that you get the names or a card or a phone number of anybody that did see the accident that you see around, if you're able. You know, never put yourself in danger of getting hit by a car if you're on the expressway or something like that. If you're hurt, I mean, the number one thing is to take care of your health. But if you are able, getting those witnesses can make the difference. And I have several cases where we would not have been able to collect for significant injuries if that Good Samaritan hadn't stopped and given the name and number, and the person that was injured had not actually saved it where I could contact them at a later point in time.
Okay, so name, address, telephone number, cell phone, any information that you can get.
All that you can get.
Okay.